Turn the chat on. Make sure we refresh this. Am I live? Okay, here it is. What's good, everybody? Y'all load in. What's good, everybody? Let y'all load in real quick. Let me make sure I update the video. Okay, what's up, you? What's up, you? What's up, you? What's up? I want to show y'all my portfolio, and then we're gonna talk about. I got some shit for y'all. I got some shit for y'all. What's up? What's up? What's up? Gang. Gang. What up, gang? What's up, squad? What's up, everybody? How's everybody feeling today? How is everybody feeling today? Explain to me how you're feeling today in emojis. When you come in here, tell us how you feeling today, but explain it in emojis. Y'all see? Let me see. Let me copy and paste this real quick, right quick. How you feeling? Tell me in emojis. I just want to put this here, how to make money. All right, I updated the link. Y'all should be straight. Y'all should be able to see everything now. Let me load it up. Perfect, we in here. How's everybody feeling? You know I gotta get the veggies. Woo! Today is a good day, huh? Bear market. It was a bear market. It looked like Friday. It was ready, slutty. What's up, Theodore? What's up, Alfaro, Jovian, Queen Cutter? What's that? Ristina, Hang Time, Denzel, Austin. What up? So, what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna run through the Robinhood portfolio. Then I want to talk to y'all about my NIO predictions. He said I'm too sexy for myself. Yeah, so I'm gonna talk to y'all about my NIO predictions. I got some ideas on which I think is gonna make us some money, because I wanted to tell y'all last week alone I was down. I'm always transparent with y'all, and for those of y'all who've been day ones, put a 1 in the chat, please, because I share everything with y'all. Okay, from the gram to the tube, love it. You see, I'm working. I was just live on YouTube. I was just live on Instagram. Now we're doing a live video here. And then today, later, we will also be going live with a very well-known Instagrammer at 4:20 p.m. Y'all not going to miss that either. I'm working. Y'all see me working. And the day oneers see it. I see the ones coming. If you've been here longer than 90 days, drop a 1 in the comments. If you're new to the channel, please type new. I'm going to show you how we get down. When you come to this channel, we always start with good energy, good vibrations and shit. After that, we acknowledge the family, and then we dive into some plays. Okay, so today's video, I'm gonna show you the portfolio, and then I'm going to show you my predictions on NIO. I got some new shit coming for y'all as well, because shout out to Sadia. We went over some plays we're going to talk about today as well. All right, and I want to show y'all in the Discord alone. I've showed you I made. Let me pull it up right here. I'm gonna show you how much money I made. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna keep it a stack. My portfolio for the first 9 months, no, for the first 7 months was nothing but green. I was up 129% on my portfolio. This is why I make these videos, because I want to share game with y'all so y'all don't make the mistakes I did. I was up 129% on my portfolio. Y'all remember it like it was yesterday. I can flash back. And then all of a sudden what happened was the real world set in. So corrections and shit started to happen. All of a sudden, EV sector took a dip, took a big dip. And most of my portfolio, I had Li Auto, I had NIO, I had SBE, ChargePoint, I had Blink, I had all this shit that was EV related. Then my whole portfolio took a crash. I was not well diversified, spread too thin amongst all these stocks. And with all that shit being said, I was down, I don't even know, probably $1,500 on my portfolio, red. As you see now, look at this. Green. I'm only down $800. I'm only down $800 on my portfolio. And this is due to me consolidating my portfolio and due to some key option trades I hit. Okay, so listen, If you get value from what I'm about to tell you, hit a like button on the video. If you've ever made money or ever gotten manifestation power or ever felt good after you watch one of my videos, drop a like on the video for me. I appreciate it. It don't cost no money. You don't even have to join the Discord if you don't want to. You'd be crazy not to. But look, peep game. I'm gonna put y'all on something. Last week, over the last 2 weeks alone, I've made thousands of dollars. Thousands of dollars. Thousands. And this is from plays like this. Mara, I put y'all on that months ago. I didn't see no other videos on it. Mara, we made money on GALT. We made money on J&J, which is Johnson & Johnson, and we made money off Pfizer. Those were the main plays, right? And then as time went, we went ahead and made money on HUT. So in option plays alone, I made thousands of dollars. So I want y'all to listen carefully. I mentioned them in last week's video. So this is what I'm thinking, all right? I'm going to go down the portfolio, and then I'm going to tell you what options I think is going to make you money. You don't have to do it. I'm not your financial advisor. Never will be. I'm just leading you to the lake. You feel me? All right, so look. Let's run down the portfolio. I'm going to show you what I got. First stock is GALT. Y'all know GALT. If any stock that I name, I want y'all to drop an emoji if you like that stock. So GALT, anybody that has GALT with me, happy Labor Day to y'all too as well, all my hardworking people. Anybody who has GALT, please drop a G in the chat. Drop a G in the chat. GALT has been on fire this last week. I want y'all to see something. Look at GALT on the month. Can y'all see that? GALT on the month. This is a stock that was down to $2.85 a little bit ago. And with the exception of last week, what happened was last week it went down. With the exception of that, it was up 3 of those days. It's only 5 days. It was up 3 of them days. So I'm very proud of GALT. GALT is fire to me. Next, I got PSEC. PSEC's on sale. Anybody who's looking for a dividend stock, anybody who's looking for a cheap dividend stock, you do what you want. I'm not your financial advisor. But guess what? I'm up 36% on the position. So the numbers don't lie. You can say what you like. You can say what you like. You don't have to like this one, but I'm at least giving you an option to think about something in your brain. It's never about being right or wrong. I'm just giving you game. You feel me? So I'm up 36% on this position of PSEC. Anybody who has PSEC and likes PSEC, if you a PSEC pirate, put a P in the chat. I love PSEC. Y'all know that's my baby. And look, on the 23rd of September, I have a payout coming. I did nothing. They pay you just for being a shareholder. Why would you not want to get that? They pay you for being a shareholder. I'm getting paid just by being an investor. So I'm about to make $8 chilling. So imagine, okay, it's $8 right now, but imagine once this number right here, once I have $10,000 in here, that 8 will turn into an 80. Okay? You got to put shit in perspective. We put 10,000 in here, that could turn to $80. We keep investing. I'm 32 years of age, right? So if I'm saving this until I'm 50, I got 18 years to donate into this. We only getting bigger and bigger and stronger and stronger. So that's PSEC. It's $7.98. It's almost evened out on the day. Next, we got NIO. We're going to give price predictions on NIO. I'm going to give price predictions after I go through everything. But NIO, y'all know how I feel about it. Right here, it struggled a bit last week, but at least I'm up on the position 4%. Okay? Next, we're going to go to Vertex Energy. Anybody that has VTNR, drop the V's. Where the V's at? Where the V's at? Anybody got VTNR with me? I talked about last week some ETFs to get. VTI is another good one if you don't want that one. I need y'all help. Bro, my neighbor's trying to get mad at my 8-year-old daughter. What are you talking about, bro? What is this man talking about, bro? You gotta go. What talking about? All right, so look. VTNR, anybody have it? I'll give y'all a second to answer. Any VTNRs? Oh, y'all can't see it, my bad. Very cheap, very affordable. Vertex Energy. I'm big on energy. I love sustainable energy, but I also love to make money. Okay, so we have that. Then next we're going AMC. Put a popcorn emoji if you got AMC. I know y'all got AMC. AMC, like I said before, I will always keep me a position in this. If meme stocks ever will hit, guess who's going to eat with them? I'm not paying $500 for GameStop. I'm going to get AMC. And last week, it was on sale. I told you. I told you to get some. I didn't tell you what to do, but I'm saying you may want to look into it. And what happened? It was down in the 30s and then it went up. Now it's $44. I'm telling you, whenever this stock goes into the 30s, we eat. We grab, because guess what? It's only a matter of time before the shit shoots back up. And it's only a matter of time before they actually start releasing more enhancements, letting people go into the theater. I'm up 20% on the position. Big, small, tall, and different, it doesn't matter to me. Some of the shares have changed because I took profits when back a couple months ago when it dipped. But still, we're sitting here at 27 shares of AMC, and we're up 20% on the position. I'm not here to argue with data. If y'all like AMC, I see a lot of popcorn emojis. Y'all like it too. I got you. I got some shit for you. Who said that? Peter, I got some shit for you. Sadia, trust me, we got some shit for you. And if y'all ever had any success on my videos and you like my videos, please put a like on that. Drop a comment for me in the real comments and hit a like on the video for me. Next, another amazing dividend stock I put y'all on. This is a dividend stock you want to show your homies, your friends. This is cheap. The first dividend stock I put y'all on was PSEC. That's literally under $8. No excuse. This is CSWC, Capital Southwest. This is under $30. The amount of shares you can get for something like this, it's going to feed you. It's going to feed you. It's going to feed you. And I'm up almost 30% on the position. There's no cap in my rack. Y'all can see it. Y'all can see everything. And I'm putting y'all on game. So if you're looking for some new stocks to get, but baby, I have a new favorite stock. I have a new favorite stock. And it's been this way for a few weeks. And this is Mara. This right here, this stock single-handedly has almost uplifted my portfolio, man. This, Johnson & Johnson and Pfizer. Shout out to the people, the sheep out there getting that poison. But all the other people, man, that are running it up in crypto, this is one of those stocks. I told y'all about Mara. It's one of them Bitcoin mining stocks. I'm telling you, it's fire. This and Riot, if you don't got a piece of one of these, you're bugging the fuck out. I don't know what you're doing. Mara and Riot are the blockchain technologies. And Hut. Hut's another good one. Blockchain mining technologies that make money. When Ethereum goes up, when ADA, Cardano, all these other shits go up, Mara goes up. I don't know what other language to tell you. I made a whole video on Mara. Mara is fire. And I want y'all to see, what did that say? What number did that say? Mara was up almost 10% last week. It was going crazy, bro. On look at the month, like what are we, there's nothing to argue. There's nothing to debate here. There's no debate. So I'm not this is all free videos. You know, it takes us hours to find these plays and to research shit. So if y'all ever made any money with me, if you ever made any money with me or you enjoyed any of my videos, hit a like on that video for me, baby. Because Mara is beautiful. It has never been read. It has literally never been read before. Yo, this shit is a Stephen Curry. Look at this. On the past year, what's it talking about? Hut. I made money on it. I'm putting y'all on game. We talked about that in the Discord. I'm going to show y'all how much money we made with Hut, too. Arrowhead. ARWR. Y'all know I love this one. And I'm finally up on my position. Up 5%. Y'all notice took a big dip, but this is projected to go back to 90. If y'all not even at least thinking about Mara, I don't know what y'all got going on. All right, so we're done. Boom. Now we're going to show you what we made with Hut, and then I'm going to do the price predictions. Look at this. Tell me the Discord don't work. Go ahead and tell me the Discord don't work. What that say? Hut. And this isn't even done cooking. It's just marinating. We ain't even tossed it on the grill yet. Mara, Riot, Hut. These are blockchain mining technologies that make you money. I got one contract. This is up 110. Imagine if you had the capital to get 5. If you had the capital to get 5, you would be up almost $600. I'm showing y'all how to eat in plain English. I don't know what other way you want me to tell you. There's plenty. You don't even have to. If you don't want to follow my method, cool. Follow somebody else, but at least follow someone. Follow someone to the lake so you can eat. If y'all made money on this, especially where my Discord family at? Anybody in the Discord, butterfly. Anybody that's in the Discord right now, drop a butterfly. If you're a member of the Discord, drop a butterfly. I want to know, do y'all love these plays or what? Who ate from Hut? Who ate from Hut? Let me know. Drop an emoji if you in the Discord. And y'all see Robinhood is updated. Updated, you'll see new images and shit. It's amazing. So that's Hut. I love the blockchain apps, bro. I love the blockchain apps. They're fire to me. All right, so now I have some, I'm going to show you the NIO price prediction, and then I have typed down 2 stocks. I already seen them come up in the chat. I got 2 stocks that I'm going to review and show you live that I think that y'all are going to like. Shout out to Sadia for showing me these 2, but I'm going to give you my NIO price prediction right now. So for NIO, y'all see it. Boom. NIO, you see it right there? $40.31. Now, anybody who follows me knows what I think about NIO. I'm going to show you right here. If you don't believe in sales, you do have your sleep. You have your eyes closed. NIO was this price. NIO was this price last week. $37, and it got all the way down to $36. NIO went down to $36 last week. So imagine you, whatever your favorite brand, clothing, Gucci, Supreme, whatever it is, this stock was down, right? And now it is back up to $40.31. We know that they want 25% of the population in China to get EV vehicles within the next few years. And then look at this. Listen to this. I'm gonna read y'all this article I found. This is about NIO. Okay, so China has the largest automotive market in the world. Okay, that's flat out period. These are the facts. And investors have been following growing electric vehicle makers. NIO has a market capitalization of $60 billion. It's already a $60 billion company, and it hasn't even been profitable. NIO's worth $60 billion, hasn't even been profitable. Okay. It's not surprising. In August, the volatility led NIO drops 12%. Okay. And so what happened is even Tesla faced these issues. There was a supply chain issues. NIO and Tesla, all the smart cars faced this issue. There was a supply chain issue, right? So what happened is there was a shortage in productions for semiconductors. Repeat game. This is what happens. NIO is about to grow fast because it extended an agreement with the manufacturing partner through 2024. It doubled the production capacity. So all these problems they was having with chips and all this other shit, that's not on NIO. That's the third party. You feel me? So what's happening is all these chips are about to be shipped over eventually, but when they get here, NIO has the ability to buy a bunch more at one time, have a bunch of them, and they have double the production, so they can make 2 times as many cars, 2 times as many prototypes or new SUVs or whatever they're making over there. They have double it. It's also shipped its first export load of its flagship ES8 electric SUVs in Norway. So Norway is already dripping with NIOs. They got SUVs over there. Okay, so this tells me I'm going to get a call. I'm saying it here in plain English. I already have one. You see it here. It's down. What is it down? Oh no, $0. I broke even. NIO call. September expiration date, September 10th. Happy September to everybody too. I have here September 10th expiration date. NIO call. What y'all think of it? Fire or not? Let me know. Let me see the emojis. What y'all think of it? I think it's gonna be a banger. I read all that shit to say. Again, I had to go research and get that information to tell you that I believe that NIO's going to be a call. So I'm not telling you what to do, but when I wake up tomorrow, guess what I'm doing? Checking my NIO calls. You give the market a couple hours, your first hour or two. You let it do what it's going to do. But in that first hour or two, I learn if you still have day trades left, you can get you a couple puts on some things that are crashing. You can get a couple calls on some things that are going up until shit the dust settles. I'm giving you game. You do what you want. But NIO call is something I have. Expiration date September 10th. Okay? I got the same one. Okay, cool. Y'all fucking with that one. Now, it's on to the new stocks that y'all wanted. I want to see these too, and I want to bring them up. I'm going to pull them up on tip ranks too. All right, so the first one we have is VIH. Y'all pull it up on your phones. Everybody pull up either Public or pull up Robinhood right now. And if you don't have either of those apps, if you're looking for Public or Robinhood, I have you, link in the description. If you got Webull, I got you, link in the description. Uphold, any of those things, I got you, link in the description. All right, so we got some shit. VIH. I don't even know what this company is. Let me see what this is first. This is a development stage company. It formed the purpose of effecting a merger, share exchange, asset acquisition, share purchase, reorganization, or similar business combination with one or more businesses. So this kind of sounds like a PSEC to me. I think PSEC does something like this. This is a bit smaller company, $290 million market cap. Average volume is about 2.7 million. It's a bit of smaller company, but look at the numbers. All right, so this is what we're looking at. VIH. Y'all got it pulled up? Let me see the emojis if y'all got it pulled up. We're gonna go through this together. VIH. Peter, Sadia had brought this up to me yesterday. I wanted to show y'all. So this is up on the day over 11%. We're gonna call it 12%. 12, right? And we gotta remember, any stock that's on fire is eventually gonna cool out. It's eventually gonna cool out. And when the cool out comes, put man, yeah, that's me. Okay? So we can get the calls. What I've been doing is when it's hot and I know the news, I knew Johnson & Johnson had a certain amount of poisons that they were going to offer out. So I knew that I'm going to get a call for that. I knew that Pfizer was going to offer 50 million in Thailand or in India, and then another 20 million. So I got a call on that. But as soon as shit got to crashing, I got to put. I ate both times. Okay, so with this, it's on fire. I don't know. This is on fire. This must be a new stock. Yeah, this just came out. IPO'd November 13th. This came out November 13th of 2020, so it's new. On the year, it's up, obviously, up to $11. On the last 3 months, it's up 13%. On the month, it's up 17%. On the week, it's up 17%. This shit is on fire. This is on fire. So what I would do, this is my own theory. First thing I would do is I looked at the numbers. Secondly, I'm gonna pull it up here on tip ranks. If you don't have tip ranks, I suggest you get that. To me, public is the best investing at, in my opinion. Robinhood is the best UI, and Tip Ranks is the most informative stock investing app on the whole app store. That's just my opinion. That's just what I think. Okay. Shout out to Isaac for joining, and shout out to Surface. So we're gonna go here, and we're gonna go to VHI. It doesn't have a price prediction. Smart score is a 6. I want to see what the insiders are doing. The insiders right now are buying. Holy shit. Can y'all see this? Hold on. I'm going to pull it up for y'all. Hold on. Let me pull it up for y'all. I'm going to pull it up on my phone. Everybody go to Tip Ranks. If you have Tip Ranks, type tip. Type tip. Y'all going to like this. VIH. Make sure we're on the right thing. Oh, that's the wrong one. That's why. Okay. I was about to say. That's crazy. VIH. Okay. Smart score of 5. Insiders. This is the top forecaster. So VIH is all over the headlines. I don't know if y'all can see the news. It says there are hidden daggers. It has 3 articles. This VIH has 3 articles that were written about it that said it's a hidden gem. Let's see what the hedge funds. They don't have any information on hedge funds. There's only one guy who was a hedge fund. He sold out of his positions 100%. So it's not really telling us much, no insider information. Tip Ranks ain't showing the shit. So what this would tell me, in my opinion, you do what you want. I'm going to tell you how the session will go about figuring this shit out. I'm going to wake up tomorrow, right? I already added this to my list. I'm going to go after this. I'm going to read some news articles. I'm going to see what VIH has to say on the Yahoo Finance. I'm going to see what it has to say. But if I wake up, let me see how, this is how much the option call is, by the way. September 17th expiration date. The stock right now is $11.60. The $10 call has you a break even of $11.20. If I were to get one of them, cheap as dirt, I have buying power, right? So let's say I'm going to get one of these in the morning. You see, expiration date September 17th. You can get one of these in the morning if you see the numbers are going in your favor. If the numbers are going in your favor, go ahead and hop in and eat, right? You get 5 day trades, I believe. I believe you get 5. I believe you get 5 day trades before you get your account flagged on Robinhood. Now, when buying the call, Sadia made a very good point. I want y'all to remember this. The reason I said check in the morning to see how it's performing, you have to find a good entry point. Otherwise, your price is going to be higher. The strike price, or not strike price, the limit price is going to be higher. Okay? So if you're going to get a call on something that's on fire, you have to understand you're going to pay more. So you have to weigh the risk to reward ratio. If I've read some articles that said this shit has got this, and this is definitely gonna go up more, 10%, then I don't mind paying a bit more for the premium. I don't mind, but you have to be knowledgeable on it. I'm telling you, I'm not your financial advisor. You have to know that this shit's going to go up. With NIO, I know it's going to go up. So that's why I got a call ahead of time. Okay? So if you want to get a call with this one, all I suggest you do, wake up in the morning, stretch out a little bit, go ahead and meditate for a second, come back to your portfolio, look, see how it's performing. If the shit is up, dope. Just make sure it's not up 8%, 5, 6%. Let it cool off. Get you a call, eat. If you have the capital, I'm put man. Yeah, that's me. I became put man. So Johnson Johnson, Pfizer, Johnson Johnson and Pfizer, those made me $500-600 off of those plays alone. Because puts, everything cools off. Everything cools off. If something's on fire, this since inception has never had a red day. So it's eventually going to cool off. You can get you a longer expiration date and get you a put that's probably going to be cheap. It's probably going to be much cheaper. I'm telling you how I made money. I was down almost $2,000 in my portfolio. Now I'm down only $800. And that was just through shares. Silly options, me trying to catch up with options. You know, it lost me money because I was so focused on giving 60,000 people at the time different option plays all week, and I'm getting in all these different options and shit. I was spreading myself too thin. Now I'm doing options I know about. So this is VIH. I would look for the put or the call. To me, this has a likelihood of in the near weeks, coming down a bit. It's on fucking fire. I haven't seen anything significant in the articles to say that it's doing something crazy. So let me know what y'all think. Do you like VIH? If you do like VIH, type put or call. What do y'all think? Which would you rather get? Your premium's going to be much more expensive if the stock surges, just so you know. Hey, thank you. Appreciate it. What y'all think? In the first 10 minutes, I'll decide to stay with my 200 calls on AMC. This damn Mark Paul has 200 calls, see? And this is an example. A lot of people in the Discord, that's why I like these conversations too, these live talks, because look, there's puts and calls. Everybody's saying different. Most people like the puts. I mean, most people like the call. Or that's just one dude saying it a bunch of times. But in the Discord, what I'm noticing also, how I've realized and how I've made more money, I can buy more contracts. The more buying power you have, especially of a certain one. Mara, I'm loyal to it. I'm gonna get option calls and puts on that for months to come. Okay? So I'm getting that for months to come. Mara has made me a good money. This is how we're almost at $11,000 in the portfolio. Started with $1,500. Okay? So look at if the Fed speaks, what often happens? Let's use our brains. If the Fed speaks, oftentimes the whole market goes down. Oftentimes the S&P and the NASDAQ go down. So if we know everything's going to go down, we get a put. If we know everything's green, oh my God, everything's bouncing back and the correction is in our favor, we get a call. So these are just basic principles, but this shit has really helped me because I've been getting more contracts. I encourage you to get more contracts. I encourage you, if you know something's for surely popping, dive all in. Get 2, 3, 4, 5 contracts. You hear me? So I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you, Mark Paul. I'm proud of all y'all. Cecil. Yeah, Gunna, you can find that. Go to YouTube, how to enable it. Just go to settings. It'll just say option trading. You just turn it on. All right, so that's VIH. Next one I want to show y'all is CEI. This is another one brought to y'all by Sadia. So y'all make sure y'all thank Sadia. Everybody who's gonna wake up tomorrow and make money on VIH, either if you get a call or a put, yeah, make sure y'all thank Sadia because she's the one who brought it to my attention. So this is amazing. Next is CEI. That's Camber Energy. Let me know what y'all see. Let me know if y'all pulled it up. CEI. See me on Robinhood right now. The reason I'm on Robinhood is because it shows me after hours. Otherwise, if it was during the day and it was live trading, I would be using public because I love the UI. All right, so CEI, Camber Energy. Y'all know I don't fuck with penny stocks like that. Only penny stock I got is GALT. That's my extent. This one, Camber Energy, has on tip ranks a 5 smart score. Okay, cool. Yes. So we can actually go on tip ranks. Jovian shooting a shot. All right, so now we can actually go on tip ranks here. All of my people who have tip ranks, please type tip. You're going to want to use this tool. Okay, so you type in CEI. When I use it on my computer, it's better. But you'll see right here, clear as day. CEI, right? We went to temp ranks and we've seen the amount of portfolios that have increased for holding this position. Over the last week and a half, 12% more portfolios started holding this. Okay? And in the last 30 days, 6% of portfolios. Okay? This is good. This goes in our favor. So that means to tell you that CEI is gaining attraction. It's selling. People are increasing their shares. Okay? So if we come over here, that's CEI, Camber Energy. Okay? I want to show you. Oh, it doesn't show us the holdings. Can I see the insiders? Hedge funds. So they're not showing us any insider information. Let's see if there's any news articles on this. It's been destroying it in the pre-market. Every article says it does amazing on pre-market. They announced some subsidiaries on their Q2 quarterly announcement results. That seems to be why they're up. It says here, the CEO of Camber and Viking commented, "We are pleased with the Viking second quarter results and are very excited about steps we have taken subsequent to the end of Q2 to strengthen the organization." There's a lot of other words there, but they're a leading power generation and energy solution company. Y'all know we love energy over here because obviously it makes the world better, but there's capitalization on it. There's a reason they're making electric cars, which were invented in the 1800s. They're letting them be now. Okay, so CEI is a dope one. I'm going to come back here. On the day, it is up 18%. On the week, up 56%. On the month, up 75%. 3 months, up 22%. On a year, up 61%. God damn. So this stock is just on fire. This is. I don't do the penny stocks. This is the one like. Are y'all familiar with the naked stock? The one we used to get, the naked drinks, NAKD. That's very similar to one of these. You can't get options on this. So if you're going to trade with penny stocks, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not your financial advisor. What I would do is go ahead and put however much money you have, 500, 1,000, 2,000. You have to buy a substantial amount of these shares to reap the rewards. Okay? So if you only put $100 in there, it doesn't matter if it goes up 100%. You will only make $100. Does that make sense? If you think that this company is going to continue to surge and go up and be amazing, you're getting it at a very cheap price. I'm not sure what the price is supposed to be, but the 52-week high is $3.10. Now, if you follow the principles we believe in if you have a stock, you like it, you hold it from 5 to 10 years. Now, if you want to get rid of that stock, you would wait for it to hit its previous 52-week high. This reached $3.10. If you were to have this stock and it went from 83 cents to $3.10 and you put $10,000 in it, you would be making a ton of bread. You would make a shit ton of money just from letting your money sit here instead of the bank. So I look at the penny stocks and shit like that, maybe kind of as savings accounts or something like that, maybe an ETF. But what do y'all think of it? CEI, if I had a grandiose amount of money that I wanted to sit somewhere, this is something. If you believe in the stock, that's going to go up, you will get that. What do y'all think in the comments? Let me know in the chat. What do y'all think? CEI, are we fire? Do you think this is fire or poop? I think this is a very good price. The numbers look amazing. Not a ton of news on it, and as far as media front, but it does look like somewhere chill you could put, you could sit some money. It does look like it is not very volatile. It always seems to come back to support. Let me see. Yeah, I like the way this looks. This went from 83 cents to $3.10. Now, that is saying something that it went all the way back down, but it does have potential to reach that as well. And it hasn't been down in 5 years. The last time, this stock used to be, hold up. No way. Look at this, y'all. This stock used to be $4,000. Is that cap? And this just goes to show you what happens when you run up. This is a run up. Look at that. That shit was $4,000. In 2016, this stock was $4,000. Shout out to Ian Dunlap. He told me also When you're investing in the company long term, you want to look at the last 5 years of the company. If you're investing in this long term, this may be something you want to look at. Why is it that in 2016 this company was $4,600? 4,600, 4,600, and it went down to 83 cents. Now, that was 5 years ago. We don't know what happened with the economy or whatever, but that's something to look at. Is that correct? Is that right? If you were investing in something long term and you're going to hold this for 5 years, I wish that shit would go back to $4,000. Boy. Exactly. And you have to put in perspective, why did it go down so much? You have to ask yourself, there's a reason for everything. So it could be, and it doesn't always have to be complex too. That's why I love reading about the stocks. As I learned to read the charts, news helps you. All the money I made, them thousands I made, was on news. Me reading the numbers in news. I knew that the economy was going to do this, and I knew that it typically does this. When this happens, oftentimes when this medication gets approved, this is going to, just off news. So just by reading and analyzing the stock, whether you believe in it or not, it could be some shit that they did with corporate, it could be some shit that they done with funding, you don't know. But all right, so those are the two. I'll look up one more while I'm here. This is an amazing video. I feel great. We have almost 100 people in here. We have almost 90 people in here. We need to get 90 likes. If I've ever helped you make money, put a money emoji and like the video, please. It don't even cost bread. If you like what I'm dripping in, you know what I'm saying? This is my merch. Yes, Karen, I am vegan. You dig? This is another piece of merch I'm dropping to end racism. These pieces of merchandise help end racism. You'll see them below in the description. It's a funny way I love it because I have hundreds of people who wear these that are not African American, and this is dope because we need more people that are not of color to stand up, and this is what more dope way to say that, but just by having it on the shirt. You feel me? And we also got the balance on our necklaces. If you need some pearls, everything's in the description. All right, so what do y'all got? How do you feel about Webull? Webull is dope, man. I've been working with Webull. I like Webull, but it's for the more traditional user. If y'all like Webull, if you like Webull, put a W. Put a W. I like the questions we get to have. I love the Q&A at the end. If you like Webull, put a W. Anybody who needs Webull, I do have a link in the description. We both get free stock, so that's always an exception. Anyone who loves Webull, if you need it, we both will get free stocks. And they are giving people free shares of Apple. I don't know what's going on with Webull, but it said they're giving away free shares of Apple. So anybody who wants it, I need 3 of y'all to sign up so I can get that Apple. And then if y'all sign up under me, you get a link. So then you can get 3 people to sign up. They're giving away full shares of Apple. So I don't know. Webull to me is dope, but it is not very UI friendly. It's not for the beginning users. It's for people who really love charts and there's shit everywhere. Even the UI of it when I'm trying to buy things, it's not for me. It's my third. I would put that fourth out of all the platforms I like, but I still like it a lot. I still have stocks in that portfolio right now as we speak. I just don't show them to y'all. That's my portfolio. I don't put in the public light. Just really light. I'm doing testing over there, and I will be making a video. Webull is the #1 stock I will recommend for paper trading. Oh my goodness. If y'all understood the importance of paper trading, if every child in America or around the world started paper trading, you would already be great at trading stocks by the time you were 18, by the time you were 21. So I advise everybody to go check out paper trading. Now that I advise you to check out. What's the next question? What do y'all think? When's the next song coming out? Appreciate that, bro. We got some songs coming out. Just put that Freaky Friday tape out. I got some shit coming out with a homie from Africa. Y'all know I'm on the Afro Vibes music. So I got a homie in Africa. We making some shit. Actually, a bunch of people in Africa I've been collaborating with. Songs are not out yet. My engineer went on vacation, but I got some shit coming for y'all. I think y'all really gonna fuck with it. Music video coming before the end of the month. I got some shit for y'all. Y'all fucking. It's a lot of amazing shit coming. Dope collaborations. I have a collaboration coming right now today at 4:20 p.m. Collaboration with somebody y'all probably know. Somebody you probably seen around. What's your worth as far? I appreciate it. What do you think about JOBY stock? Let me check it. JOBY. JOBY. Okay, so we have JOBY Aviation. This is JOBY, ticker symbol. Who asked about this? Shay Thomas asked about this. Okay, so on the day it's down 14%. On the week it's down 21%. On the month it is up 0.29%. 3 months 2.35%. So the numbers are terrible. It is a $6 billion company, so that is good. They do have a big market cap, but almost the same as other companies we've seen. It's only $3 million, so there's not a lot of shares being traded on this. Founded in 2009. It is in Santa Cruz. What is it you want me to look at with this stock? This one is, if you were going to get some options, reasonably priced. Probably a put with this damn stock. The numbers for JOBY are looking like it's put man. Yeah, that's me. What kind of put? They're cheap. Damn, puts are cheap, but I don't know. I would have to research more, but puts are very cheap. But the break-even price is fucking ridiculous. So JOBY, I have to look up more information, but these are the calls of the puts. You could probably get yourself a good one. It all depends. If you know something I don't know and you think it's going to drop substantially, I will go with the $10 put. If you know something I don't know and you think it's going to drop substantially and it could go to $8 and change, I will get the $10 put. If you don't know something that much, you may want to spend $500 and get yourself the $15 put. Okay, it's all about having capital. You got to have some money to make some money. You got to. You better than most rappers out right now. Talk that shit. Talk that shit. I ain't gonna disagree with you. I appreciate that, bro. And I'm gonna screenshot that just for my own manifestation purposes. I appreciate it. Let me make sure I get that. Appreciate that, bro. I definitely appreciate that, bro. That means the world. What other questions y'all got? Y'all say. Power School is a long-term stock hold. How about farmland investment? Ooh, good question. Now here's a good question I like to. Kel Jeezy, farmland farmland investment. Are you meaning, am I investing in actual land, or are you meaning is there a stock that does all agriculture or has farmland am I investing in? Which one do you mean? That's a great question. This goes out to Kel Jeezy. And again, we got almost 90 people in here. Make sure y'all hit the like button for me, please. Drop a comment on here if you've ever been here before. If you were day one, put a 1 in the comments. If you've been here longer than 90 days, put a 1 in the chat. Oh, stocks, okay. Farm stocks, okay. That's a good question. In my stash portfolio, I have a portfolio in stash. Application called Stash. Do I have any stash users out here? Do any of y'all use Stash? If anybody uses Stash, type Stash. Stash is very simple. It's not complex like this. You're not going to be doing a bunch of day trading and as old people say, ripping and running. It's more so sit it and leave it. I have some think green stocks in there, some farming stocks in there, but they're ETFs. Just big ETFs that they just invest in different companies that do green powering, some agriculture and shit like that. But that's my extent of it. So Stash, I recommend you can just pick categories. Hey, leaning green, it's just all ETFs they pick for you. REITs, also great ones. Good realty ETFs are great because for some reason houses are selling faster than they've sold in years. I think they're selling within 60 days or something like that. There's a lot of people right now. I think there's the most people right now turning 30 years old than any other age or something like that right now. So a lot of these people are looking to own homes right now. So REITs are great ETFs to look for right now. It's so weird because the cost of labor has went up, right? They're saying that there's a lumber shortage when there's not a shortage of trees, and thus the lumber price went up. So that means it costs more to make a house. So the cost of the houses to get built is greater, but houses are selling faster. What does that sound like to you? That sounds like capitalism. There's no lumber shortage. There are not less trees, because every time we make books, we plant trees. So, spare me with all that shit. They're charging more for the houses, but they're selling them at faster rates. REITs are good. What's next? Okay, options theta just listed some right there. DHIO. A lot of y'all know O. Ticker symbol MO. I don't think that's right. MO is Altria. I think MO is Altria. ITC, Main's another popular one. ARE. ARR is another one as well. Great real estate stocks. Yes. I use Stash, but no, I'm looking to trade. Exactly. Stash is something I use like I use Stash like a 401k. Every week it takes a little bit of money out there and it just literally puts in a stash. When it comes to these investments, these are the ones y'all see every day. Y'all see my phone. If y'all want if you want wallpapers, also something like this, get your phone looking cool and customized. We do have them for you as well. So, answering questions for y'all. We'll do a little bit more of Q&A. What kind of questions y'all want to got? Stock related, whatever kind of related y'all got. Business related, entrepreneur related. I gotta go soon. About to eat. I appreciate you educating the people on investing, brother. You know I got us, man. We leading mind, body, soul, music, everything. Ain't no cap in my rap. All links are in the description. Yes. Let's get this to 70 likes. I need everybody in here. If you fuck with me, let's get this to 70 likes. That shit don't even cost money at this point. All I'm asking you to do is use your fingers. Take this and click some shit. Get it to 70 likes, please. I want to get in the algorithm. I want this shit lit. I want YouTube to be like, hey, you get what I'm saying? You can already see we're in the algorithm. We had 100 people in here. It's been a while since I had that in mind. So we're breaking the algorithm down. We're winning now. My first ever investment was in AMC. I never sold it. It's still there, and I'm up 18,000. Should I leave it in there and find a new investment? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. But always remember trailing stop loss, and always remember to take profits, brother. Never want to be a sitting duck. So I'm not telling you what to do. I would always remember, if you up anywhere between 35 to 40%, you may want to take some of them shares out. Take some of your earnings. Take some of your earnings. Remember, it is not a wash sale if you do not sell for a loss and buy again within 30 days. You're selling for a profit, so you can buy back in at any time. Fuad, you be drawing, bro. Stop asking the same shit. Yes, I have Ethereum, but I love you, brother. But you ask a lot of the same things a lot. Yes, I have Ethereum. You've been on the videos when we talk about Ethereum. But yeah, hope that answers y'all your question. AMC, that's a dope name too. Again, every time AMC gets in the 30s, guess who's gonna be buying? This guy right here. You know what I'm saying? This guy right here. When it gets to the 30s, we're buying. If NIO ever touches 30s again, I'm buying. I bought NIO when it was in the 30s. I bought probably whatever I could afford at the time that wasn't tied up in options. 5 shares, something like that. We're looking for dips. So tomorrow, who's ready? Who's ready? If you're ready for tomorrow, let me see. I'm ready. I'm ready. Let me see if you're ready for tomorrow, because we're going to be up bright and early trading. I gave y'all game. I said option, VIH. Look for it. Call, put, whichever direction it heads towards. NIO, call. September 10th expiration date. Or you can space it out a little further, the 17th, whatever you want. I got this option call 2 weeks ago. So mine is the 10th. Yours is going to look a little different unless you believe it's for the 10th. You get it? So I see a lot of I'm readies, but I gave y'all the place for tomorrow. You're going to want to check Mara. Mara is now officially my favorite stock. It's my favorite stock because it's 2 for 1. Whenever crypto goes up, Mara goes up. And then Mara has a nerve to perform well on its own. Imagine if Mara adds more machines to start mining more Bitcoin, which they did. All of this news makes Mara grow on its own without crypto even have to perform. Because there was 2 months on crypto when we were just sitting. I was just sitting and losing bread. Y'all remember? How many of y'all was in here with me when we had crypto and it wasn't making no bread? That's why we didn't have no cannabis and cryptos. But then Mara was making its way on its own. Mara was in the 30s when I got it. Shit was in the 30s or something like that. Now look at it. Mara is fire. One of my favorite stocks. Mara, Hut, Riot. If you don't got one of them three, if you have not checked out one of them three, and you a young person, get one of these, because you're gonna want to show your parents. You're gonna want to show your peers. This is a good way for your parents too. If they don't, I don't want to get into crypto. Hey, mom, go grab some Mara. You be straight. They just added a bunch more machines too, and they're about to start making even more Bitcoin. They're the third. They are the third biggest mining stock company, if my memory serves me correctly. What do you think of Tesla? Tesla's fire. I got me 4 Tesla shares, almost 4 Tesla shares, I believe. But I love y'all. Thank y'all for liking the video up. Thank y'all for always showing love to me, man. Always rocking out with the kid. We've been on here for a good minute. I'm getting into options trading now, brother. I'm still studying it. We all are, bro. It's all learning process, but at least I'm giving you the blueprint. With me, when it came to Mara, I got shares and I got options. So for shares of Mara, I have, how many do I have? I have 21 shares of Mara, 21 and a half shares of Mara. And the only reason I haven't bought more is because there's a method to everything. You don't just randomly, frivolously just go into shit and doing stuff. You have to wait for a good entry price. There's a strategy, because what you're going to do if you do not wait and be patient, what you're going to do is fuck your money up. You're going to buy into stocks at their peak price, and then your average cost is going to be higher than the Lord, and then all you're going to be doing is watching your money down, 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 down. And the only way to recover that money as it goes down is to get puts, or you're going to have a ton of capital to lower your average cost. When in reality, you just wait, you buy piece by piece. People like myself, people who are smarter than me, are telling you entry price points. Me, anything in the 30s with Mara, grab some, because my average cost on this is $27.34. With the way crypto is performing right now, I do not see Mara going down to $27.34 anytime soon. So some key things to look for. This is why I love news, because some key things to look for. Guess what? If Bitcoin goes up, then guess what? Ethereum goes up. If Ethereum goes up, all the other altcoins go up. Cardano, XRP, etc., Poly, whatever. So then that tells me Mara is going to grow up, because it is one of the third biggest blockchain miner. You see how everything correlates? So it's just news. All I have to do is look on Yahoo Finance. Literally, tip ranks in Yahoo Finance literally send me notifications to my phone, and it says, this is something that happened. This happened in crypto. Oh, Ethereum just went here. So what I do, I run right to Mara, and Mara is just printing. It's like FedEx. It just prints shit. It's like UPS. And if you don't believe me, what does that number say right there? What does it say for return? What does it say for return? You see what I mean? This is a 57% return. Now, what I should do is take profits, which I will be doing very soon. I will be taking profits, and then guess what I'm gonna do? Reinvest right back. I'm gonna get some calls on it right now, but then when it dips, I'll buy more. It's a simple process. You just have to be patient. It does take a while if you do it the way I'm doing it. You gotta wait for the prices to go down so you get smooth, cheap entry points. You don't want to overpay for a stock. That's the dumbest shit in the world. That's like buying a shirt and then on purpose. That's like buying a shirt and then on purpose paying more for it. You're buying it when it's more expensive, when you can just buy it when it's its regular price. Yes, MARA. My goal is to have 100 shares of any stock, and also to start collecting premium on them. That's fire. That's fire. Any other goals out there? Do y'all have any other goals that you're looking to accomplish in the month of September? Give me some September affirmations that y'all are looking to accomplish financially. It could be stock related. It could be your own bank account related. What I've decided for my own self, I'll keep it a stack with y'all. I've lessened significantly the amount of money that I keep in my bank account. I only pay things with credit, and then all my other money is working for me. If it's not in business endeavors, it is invested in the market. So that's the type of shit I'm on. Okay, we have businesses to fund, start, and we have to bring in assets to pay for liabilities. So that's my goal, is to double everything I did last month with productivity and production and money. I want to double. They say I want to get more dividends. Sadia says she wants 50 to 100 shares of Mara for sure. That's a fact. Boy, I get me 50 shares tomorrow. See, y'all don't get it. Y'all think it's a different shit. Sometimes when you get these stocks like NIO, there's days where I make more money on NIO by having shares than some of y'all do spending money on options. Just by having shares. So you mean to tell me, imagine if Sadia had 50 shares tomorrow and it went to $60 from 43. That's almost $17 per share extra you would get on 50. Let's see, another goal would be to reach 100 shares in Tesla. I truly believe in that company reaching, oh yeah. We are at the age right now where we have the ability to get into Tesla and Apple, possibly even like Nike's, Disney's, before these companies go to astronomical levels. Even shit, if you ask me, I think NIO, I truly believe within the next 10 years, NIO will be well over $100. I'd pray it's up to 500. Within 5 years, NIO will be over $100 or less. Just look, the numbers work. I'm learning more about the market. I'm learning that things take time. You look at the numbers. Look at China is the #1 manufacturer of automobiles in the world. They got the most people in that motherfucker per capita. So if they're making the most vehicles and the Chinese government paid NIO to be the #1 manufacturer, automatically they have a high likelihood of selling the most vehicles, which means they have a bigger footprint, which means they are more of the market leaders and they can determine sponsorships, endorsements, the way how they do the charging stations and how they do the maintenance on the vehicles. NIO is the stock. I'm telling you, NIO's going up. I'm at 80 shares of NIO, so close. That's fire. Damn. How many I got? I got 78. No, I got 77. I have 77 and a half. 77.5 is how many shares I got. That's lit. I'm on your ass, bro. I'm coming up. I'm gonna get 100 shares. Who wants 100 shares of NIO? Anybody that want 100 shares of NIO, put the 100. Put the 100 emoji. I need 100 shares of NIO. Let's go. Let's go. NIO was almost at 60 a couple months ago as well. I need 100 shares of NIO. That's on God. Who else wants 100 shares of NIO? Let's go. Put them hundreds. 10K public portfolio before the end of the year. Let's go. Dre says he's going to have 10K in his public. That's another goal of mine. Hell yeah. I love public. He said he won $1 million. Teledot. Yes, sir, ski. Start collecting ring. Yes, sir. I love y'all. This is amazing. Y'all really been showing love, and we almost had 70 likes. 2 more likes and I'm getting off. 2 more likes. I need 70 likes. I need everybody in here to like the video. I appreciate y'all sincerely, man. Got some new updates coming into Discord, man. Channels are always being updated. So much good fucking information, and it feels so good to see people making thousands of dollars. Like, there's literally people in the Discord who have more money than I have. I just lead to the late. I don't know what their occupation. They have more money than I got. There's some people who be making, like, when I be buying these 1-2 contracts, they be buying 6-10 contracts. Like, who's in the Discord that can vouch? I show y'all screenshots all the time. There's people in here that'll tell you. Now that I'm learning the strategy and doing this shit, and now that we did about a year, we've made some money. Now look at how many shares we have. We starting to eat. I have over 126 shares of PSEC. I almost got 80 shares of NIO. We're starting to eat. AMC is coming up. We almost have 30 shares of that. So everything's, we lit. You know what I'm saying? This is lit. And we're going to be a bunch of young people with a shit ton of money. Young people with a shit ton of money. What that mean? When you get money, you get power. If you use it properly. Now we can start making change in the world. We can start changing. We already shifting the world with how we invest. 10 million new investors over the last year. So shout out to us. Let's say shout out to us. Let's put them heart emojis. Shout out to us. Shout out to us for changing the way people invest. It's 10. Oh shit. If I pause. It's 10 million new investors over the last year on Robinhood. Come on now. Robinhood's making a lot of money off of us. So it's only right we make a lot of money using Robinhood. They charging us money for our shares to do options. They charging us for other things too. So it's okay. Everybody got to make bread, but just understand they making money off of you. So we got to make sure we buy a couple extra contracts. We got to make sure we are doing our due diligence so we're not just wasting money on dumbass options and losing it and giving these folks bread. Because I learned also from Peter Lynch that when we buy options, it doesn't help the economy in any way. When you buy options, it does not actually go to the company itself. These are just exchanges between investors. These are not exchanges between the company and the investors. So keep that in mind too. When you're doing a lot of options, you're not helping the world. You were just investing. You were just exchanging funds with another investor. So that's something I had to learn. I had no idea of that. But when you buy shares, you're actually investing and owning partial of the company, whatever amount of shares or whatever percent of the company they decided to allocate into shares. You actually have the ability to own pieces of company. So you got to push it into perspective. A little bit of both, I think, will take us to the promised land. Our portfolio, I am $40 away from having $11,000 in one portfolio. We almost have $25,000 in investments, and this shit is less than a year. So obviously something's working. We know what we're talking about. I love you. Hope you have an amazing day. Follow me at @TheSessionCA on Instagram, everywhere. You need the pearls. You need the amazing shirts. Let's put it into this racism, man. Let's keep winning. Let's keep growing in generational poverty for us, man. Young people up. It's our turn, huh? It's our turn to eat. We make the rules now, this motherfucker. We make the rules. We are the winners. We are the people who make the bread. We have the ideas. We have the creativity. We have the passion. We got the love in us. So it's our turn to eat. You feel me? Weight gain. Y'all going to see more basketball shit too. I'm be working with Ball is Life. Any hoopers? Any hoopers out here? Before I go, any hoopers? Because if there's any hoopers out here, I got some new shit coming with Ball is Life in the upcoming months. I've been talking to them members. I want to be ranked as top 3 best YouTuber basketball player. Y'all gonna be seeing a lot more basketball content on my page as well. So on Instagram, be ready for that. I know y'all familiar with Ball's Life, so I want to be dominating on the ring. How you do one thing is how you do everything. When I go to play basketball, when I go into the stock market, when I approach YouTube or business, I want to win. We come to win. When we invest, we come to win. This is for our family. This is so that we can have an amazing future. In 5 years, you can do whatever you want with this money. Do whatever you want with this money. Take half of it out. I don't give a fuck what you do, but I just want you to have a cushion so in a few years you can really win. You hear me? So I love y'all motherfuckers. Have a great day.